Hi, this is Aditya from Just Tutors, and this is a sequel to our previous video on light. In this video, again, we've got three subtopics. First, we learn about spherical mirrors. After this, we'll move on to the images formed by the lenses. And at the end, we learn about the light coming from the sun. So let's talk about spherical mirrors first. A mirror is an object that reflects light. In the first video, we learned about plane mirror, which is recognized by a flat reflective surface, as shown in this picture right here. This is a plane mirror. Another type of mirror is known as the spherical mirror. Now, one such quality of spherical mirror is that the shape of a piece cut out has a spherical surface, as shown in this picture right here. These kinds of mirror are called spherical mirrors. Now again, there are types of spherical mirrors. So in general, we have just two types of spherical mirrors. The first one is a concave mirror. The second one is called a convex mirror. Now both of them are in shapes of a spoon. Concave mirror has the inner surface which acts as a reflecting surface. On the other hand, a convex mirror has the outer surface as the reflecting surface. You can understand better by taking a look at these pictures right here. The first one here is a concave mirror which has the inner surface reflecting, and this one right here is a convex mirror which has the outer surface as the reflecting surface. Now we'll learn about some uses of the spherical mirror. Now, concave mirror in general is used by the dentists. The reason for that is the images formed by concave mirror are real and inverted. We learn about that as we move further in the video. Also, the concave mirrors are used for flashlight, like in the torches. You can get the idea from the picture shown here. The mirror up front the torch is a concave mirror. Convex mirror, on the other hand, have got its spherical surface, which is on the outside. These are used in stores or streets for security purposes. They are also used in salons. The best example of the application of convex mirror would be the rear view mirror in the cars. Now all these three examples can be illustrated better with the help of these diagrams next to them. Now let's talk about the images formed by spherical mirrors. So as discussed before, the concave mirrors, they form real and inverted image of the object. These images are enlarged in size. Also, sometimes the concave mirrors form virtual images as well. You can see that from the picture right here. The burning candle has the flame at the top, but in the image you can see that the flame is towards the downside. That is a real and inverted image. Talking about the images formed by convex mirrors, it's always virtual, upright, or you can say erect, and the size is always reduced. You can see the example in the picture right here. The image formed is erect and it's smaller in size as compared to the object. So after mirrors, we can move ahead to the lenses. Now these are another type of reflecting surfaces which form images of the objects in front of them. Basically, we've got two kinds of lenses. One is convex lens and the other one is a concave lens. Now the concave lens is known as a divergent lens, as it diverges the light falling on it. This is a concave lens. Convex lens, on the other hand, is called the converging lens because it converges the light falling on it. Here is a convex lens. Let's talk about the images formed by the lenses. Now the images formed by a concave lens is virtual and upright and also enlarged in size. The images formed by the convex lens on the other hand are real, inverted and smaller in size as that of the object. But in some cases, the convex lens provides virtual images as well. You can get a better idea by looking at the pictures right here. One is with a convex lens and the other one is with a concave lens. Let's talk about the uses of lenses now. Lenses are basically used for correcting eye. We use them when we have a defect in our eye. It can be myopia or short-sightedness. They're also used in magnifying glasses as well. Convex lenses are also used for correcting eyesight. It is used in case when the patient has hypermetropia. Now, myopia is a disease of an eye which distant objects become blurry whereas nearby objects are normal. Hypermetropia, on the other hand, is a defect in which the distant objects are normal but the nearby objects become blurry. In both cases, we use lenses to correct them. Talking about sunlight, the light coming from the sun is called sunlight. The Earth's atmosphere filters the sunlight before it touches the surface. The sun can be seen in the horizon, which is a visible evidence of its radiation. Now, sunlight is also considered as a white light because it consists of 7 colors. To prove that sunlight has 7 colors, we can imagine a rainbow. A rainbow is formed when the white light from sun falls on the droplets in the atmosphere and split into its 7 components. The same happens to a white light when it falls onto a glass prism and splits into 7 different colors. This phenomena is known as the dispersion of white light. Now pause the video and take a look at the questions based on whatever we have learned so far. You can find the answers right here. Also brainstorm about the other questions here. We've already discussed these questions in the video, so you can go back if you have any doubts. Thanks for watching this video. For more, please visit justtutors.com.